Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube video. I'm going to show you how to use dimensional analysis to convert from one unit to the other. And when I do dimensional analysis, I do it a certain way. First of all, you got to make sure that you know what all the prefixes are. And you have to use these numbers. And if you're doing it the way that I am. There are other ways of doing it, but if you're struggling, I would recommend doing it this way. You got to know those numbers. Okay? So if you haven't memorized them, memorize them. Then, when I'm looking at a problem like this, I'll always start off with what they give me, where it's 481.5 centigrams Cg. And I'll set up my conversion factor. Inside my conversion factor, I'm going to put down units first, and then the numbers kind of follow. And the units will go in a specific spot. And I want to make sure that the unit that I don't want, which is the centigrams, to cancel out. So I got to put centigrams on the bottom, Cg. And the unit that goes on top is the base unit. So I'm not going to go to kilograms right away. I'm just going to go to grams. And now the numbers that go in here, there are different relationships that you can put in, but like I said, the way that I'm going to go through is I will always put the number 1 next to the prefix. So 1 goes next to my prefix, centi. I'll replace centi with its number. So up on top, the number for centi from that list from before, it's 0.01. And so it's really just centigrams, and then up here it's still centigrams. And when I do this, centigrams cancels out. I'm left with grams, but that's not what I want in my answer. So I actually have to do another one. And I go to the bottom, and I have to write down grams because that's what I want to cancel out. And then on top, I can put kilograms. Like before, the number 1 goes next to the prefix. So my prefix is kilo, 1 goes there. The number for kilo goes in the other spot. So kilo is 1,000. So I have kilograms, this is kilograms. Okay. And that's setting up the problem, and that's the important part. So if getting this far was kind of troublesome, just kind of rewind and take a look again. But then solving out the problem, you can get a number answer. And it's really looking at this as one large fraction. And everything that's on top gets multiplied together. Everything on bottom you're dividing by. So if I take the top and I multiply 481.5 times 0.01 times 1, it doesn't do much, but the times 0.01, it will make that 4.815. Then divide by the numbers on the bottom. I'm really multiplying all the numbers that are against the bottom over here. So it's 1 times 1,000, I get 1,000. And I divide it, I get 0.004,815. And in my unit is whatever unit was left over. Grams cancel out, centigrams cancel out. I'm left with kilograms. That's what I wanted. Okay. That's how you do it. So that's converting.